Welcome back to the Robbins LLP podcast. Today we're looking at new allegations involving First Solar Inc., ticker FSLR. A class action has been filed on behalf of investors who purchased First Solar securities between February 26, 2025 and February 24, 2026. First Solar is a solar technology company that provides photovoltaic, or PV, solar energy solutions.
According to the complaint, during the class period, defendants failed to disclose several key issues affecting the company's financial prospects. Those alleged issues include overstating First Solar's ability to manage the impact of U.S. tariff policy and understating how the company's responses to those tariffs, including intentionally underutilizing production facilities in Malaysia and Vietnam and attempting to relocate production to the U.S., were likely to negatively affect projected 2026 performance.
As a result, plaintiffs say First Solar's public statements were materially false and misleading throughout the class period. Concerns began surfacing publicly on January 7, 2026, when Jefferies downgraded First Solar from buy to hold. The analyst noted that in 2025, the company had lowered guidance, faced significant debookings, and experienced margin compression. Jefferies also pointed out that international facilities remain a pain point while tariffs exist, and that underutilization at those facilities was still a concern. The analyst predicted more limited deployment opportunities in 2026.
Following that downgrade, First Solar's stock price fell $27.67 per share, about 10.3%, closing at $241.11 on January 7, 2026. Then, on February 24, 2026, First Solar released its fourth quarter and full year 2025 financial results. The company reported earnings that missed expectations by a wide margin and issued lower than expected revenue guidance for fiscal year 2026.
First Solar cited customer headwinds, including permitting delays under the Trump administration. After the announcement, Baird Research downgraded the stock to neutral from outperform, citing several question marks in forward outlook. On this news, First Solar's stock price fell another $33.09 per share, roughly 13.6%, closing at $210.12 on February 25, 2026.
Robbins LLP is now investigating whether investors were misled about First Solar's financial prospects and operational challenges. If you purchased First Solar shares during the class period, you may be eligible to participate in the class action. Some investors may also choose to seek appointment as lead plaintiff, the representative party who helps direct the litigation. And representation is on a contingency fee basis. Shareholders pay no fees or expenses.
That's today's update. Thanks for joining us. Stay informed, and we'll see you next time.